Hello everyone, this is David Nguyen from iBrows Academy. In this video, I will show you how to do the connector pattern. So as you look at the first picture in this book for this section on the connector pattern, you would see that the problem we face is that sometimes we have the lower stroke area like this, and sometimes the stroke might go too long. So we want to do some short stroke here and then do the S curve in between to connect to the rest of the short stroke over here. So short stroke on this side here, some short stroke on this side, and S curve in the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to get some pigment here. Alright, let's get started. Suppose that we working on this brown, and then here is our spine 6, right? So, can everyone see? Good, right? Okay. Okay. I realize that on the iPhone you need to position the picture or the latex at a certain place in order for the camera don't blur or don't try to be focusing itself. Alright, let's get started here. You see now it's getting a little bit too long, okay? So now we will use the S curve to connect. Okay, rotate the skin a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and get some more pigment. Do one more S curve. Now let's get back to regular stroke. Last one on the left, right? Just like that. Okay, now get some more pigment, and we need to, you see, now we need to fill in the gap here for the S curve, right? With shorter stroke, right? Instead of using very long regular stroke like that. Okay. So now just go back, and I'm going to just fill the S curve here. Okay, what do you think? Okay. Alright. This is so much fun, huh? Alright, so let's do a couple more right here. Okay, of course we have to go here and then fill up these gaps. Yeah, working with machine, filling these small tiny gaps is really a challenge, okay? But with practice I think we can do it. Okay, let's try this one. Something like that, okay? So now let's go to the other side. On this side here, okay? Try to repeat the same thing. First, we need to do a few regular stroke here. Can everyone see? Very good. Alright. You see, it's getting long. Okay, now we need to use the S-curve to feel it. Okay, this is only hard, especially using machine like this. If it's placed, it would be a little bit easier, but again, we have to try and practice more. Okay, just like that. Maybe 1 or 2 more S-curve. Alright, so now go back and refill. Yeah, and this side is really a challenge. Really a challenge. Okay, let me rotate sideways here. Okay, let's do something like this. Okay, can everyone see? Alright, I just tried to do some unorthodox way right there. Okay, but anyway, that's how you do it. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is the connector pattern. You got the idea. Practice more just like right now. I'm still trying to learn. Okay, I think in another month or two, I should be good at machine. Well, thank you so much for watching. This is David Nguyen from iBrows Academy. Thank you and good night.